Masarap talaga?
Opo. Ha?
Masarap talaga?
Hi, Ate Kuya. Welcome to Ate Diaries Unlocked! Hi, Matt at Kuya. As you can see, nasa car po kami, which means I'll visit my Lola, Papa, and Mama Sally at dun po kami mag-overnight! Tara po, samahan niyo po kami! As you can see, nasa house na po ako ng lolo at lola ko. Kahapon po hindi na po ako nakapag-vlog kasi nag-enjoy na po ako maglaro kay Arjun. Kahit night na po, naglalaro pa rin kami. Today po, nag-woke up po ako so early kasi po, meron kaming vaccine! Kaming 4 po. Si Mommy, si Daddy, ako at si Amara po. Hindi ko na po papakita sa inyo kasi iyak lang naman po makikita niyo sa akin. Sige po, mag-ready lang po ako. Shoutout nga pala po kay Ninang Archie at Ninang Eds sa pag-vaccine kay Mommy, kay Daddy, Amara, Arjun at sa akin po. Thank you po. I love you po. Gusto ko na nga pala po makita si Belle at si UL. Sana makita ko na nga pala po siya pagkatapos ng COVID. Shoutout po sa kanila. Sumatit kuya, tapos na po ako sa flu vaccine namin. Alam niyo po ba mga kuya, importante po na healthy tayo, lalo na po ngayong panahon. Sa ospital po, ang daming may sakit. Ang hirap po pumunta doon. Actually po, yung pagpunta po namin dito kagabi, nag-crave ako sa something sweet. Nabanggit ko po kay Mama Sally. Sabi niya po, may recipe daw po siya na bake daw po sa air fryer. Try nga po natin kung totoo. Butter, condensed milk, water, chocolate powder, salt, baking soda, sugar, flour. Siyempre po, hindi po ako mag-isa kasi hindi ko naman po kaya ito gawin lahat mag-isa. Meron po akong 2 guests ngayon. Wow! First, nakita niyo na po siya sa vlog ko po na nag-tie-dye kami. Siya po ay si Arjun! At second guest ko naman po ay si Mama Sally! Yes. So,
step, mix the butter and the Nestle cream in the bowl. No, you put it here. Mix. Then, Nestle cream. Mix it. You mix it. Mix.
Come on, mix our
Mix this.
Help me mix.
Okay. That's enough. We go to the next step. In a big bowl, we will mix. Oh, get the chocolate, cocoa mix. Oh, you mix it. Mix the cocoa. Then the flour as well.
Wow, it's turning out chocolatey. It's yummy, right? Yeah. I hope it will turn out great.
After mixing the flour and cocoa, add the liquid mixture. The flour. Mix it well.
Smells good. Wow, it
So,
turns out
smell
like
good?
a food something like
So good.
Wow!
Then,
Wow.
after mixing well, we will put it here in the bowl.
Looks like chocolate before, right? Yeah. Smell it, Arjun. It's like chocolate already. Like marshmallow chocolate.
Chocolate.
Marshmallow chocolate. Is that no.
Mix this
Two?
cocoa for toppings and cocoa and sugar for the toppings.
Oh, it's a soft, right? Yeah.
After mixing,
Pour it
we will
right
sprinkle.
here.
No pour, sprinkle only on top.
Can I use my hand?
Yes. Then sprinkle it on top.
Okay, now let's oh! Come on, Arjun, help me.
Come on. More. More.
Look
More.
at
Some more.
it. It really looks like a cake na po. Yeah.
More.
I want more.
More.
chocolate.
Some more. On the side.
Let Mama handle that. It's
Then
hot.
put little water on the side. This is hot water.
After mixing all the ingredients, let's put it at the air fryer. Reminder to Ate Kuya, ask help po muna before you continue this video kasi po ba mapaso tayo or maaksidente po. Let's put it in the air fryer. We are going to set it into 180 Celsius and 20 minutes.
Okay. 20 minutes.
It's ready time!
Wow!
Ate Kuya, it's been 20 minutes. Let's check na po. Ito dyan. Ito dyan. Wow! Talamagin lang po natin ito, mga Ate Kuya. Let's taste it!
Okay, thank you. Yummy? What about you? Yummy! Now you learn something new and easy to make. Are you going to try it for your family?
Try it.
Okay. Yummy.
So, mga Ate Kuya, that's how you make a cake out of air fryer. Mama, thank you.
You're welcome.
Arjun,
Try it
thank
again
you.
for your family.
May pour.
Dapat daddy makuhaan to eh. Pag ginugulan parang ano, dad. Teka lang.
Masarap talaga? Masarap talaga?
Archie, gusto niya chocolate cake. Oh, baby! Why are you praising to that? Baby, alive!
And that's it po mga ate at kuya. Hanggang may panahon pa po, make fun and happy memories with your lolo and lola. Give them time and care while we still have a chance. I am very blessed na alive and safe po sila. Lalo po, mas prone po sila sa virus. I always thank God that they are safe. Please support me and click the subscribe button and the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago kong videos. Till my next vlog, it's me, your Ate Tony, saying, be responsible, be patient, and be a loving and caring ate and kuyas. Bye!